Meantime, an executive staff member from the LA County District Attorney's Office surrendered on an arrest warrant over the weekend. The assistant to DA George Gascón is accused by the California Attorney General of misusing sensitive information. Our investigative reporter Eric Leonard joins us live from the newsroom with an update on that. Eric.
Hi, Colleen. Well, prosecutors and defense attorneys that we talk with regularly for information on their cases have been asking us in recent days about these very unusual criminal charges. And that's because both the felonies alleged here are rarely filed and because the person accused is one of the top administrators at the district attorney's office. Even more intriguing, the specifics of these accusations were filed under seal, meaning they're hidden from the public. Now, this is video of Assistant District Attorney Diana Teran seen during video conferences in recent years after she joined the DA's office. She was brought in by DA George Gascón, who assigned her to a top position supervising some of the office's most sensitive cases, including prosecutions of suspected criminal police officers. The 11 felony counts filed by the Attorney General last week accuse her of accessing and using computer files about 11 unnamed police officers without permission. A statement from AG Rob Bonta explains that Teran is accused of accessing that data while she was working as an advisory at the Sheriff's Department back in 2018, then taking that information to her new job at the DA's office in 2021 and somehow misusing it. Exactly what she's accused of doing with the information isn't clear, and that's because state prosecutors apparently filed the details in a sealed document that is off limits to the public. Now, Diana Teran was booked on these charges at the Signal Hill Police Department on Saturday. She posted bail and is scheduled to make her first court appearance in July. Her defense lawyer has not returned our calls or messages, but has told some other reporters that he believes these charges are baseless and will eventually be dismissed. Incidentally, her lawyer is also defending Rebecca Grossman, who was just convicted of murder for running over 2 children in a case that has been filed by Teran's own office. Back to you in the studio.
So, Eric, that raises the question, has anyone questioned possible conflict of interest in her attorney also representing Rebecca Grossman?
Yeah, it's a really unusual situation. Prosecutors in that case have already asked the judge to address the potential of a conflict of interest. They filed a motion, but the ramifications of these criminal charges could go far beyond that. Teran was involved in lots of issues at the DA's office, and lawyers in each of those cases could begin to raise questions about that potential conflict of interest or whether or not this investigation has touched any of those cases. Back to you.
All right, Eric, thank you so much for that.